Welcome, today in front of me CHUWI HiPad X, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So let's just unlock the SIM card, and now after that launch the settings application. Then scroll down to the security section. After that you'll see here the SIM card lock section, and now just to unlock your SIM card from SIM pin you should click here once on the switcher, and now just enter the currently password. In my case that's from 1 to 4. Then just click here to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully remove SIM pin from our device SIM card. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.